Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and today in this video we'll get to see one of the real-time scenario from Azure Data Factory, which in this kind of scenario we used to use in our real life projects. Okay, this is part 9 video. Uh, we have earlier 8 videos where we have shown multiple real-time scenarios which we used to use in our projects. Okay, if you have not seen that, I'll recommend you please go and watch that video. And also we have one Data Factory playlist there, the basic thing, how to create link service, how to create the data sets and all. I have shown you guys, and few of the important things I have shown you guys. If you have not seen that, you can go through that before going ahead with this video. Okay, so let's go without wasting our time. And today's topic is how to get the count of files in a folder using ADF. So basically, so we have let's see the problem. So we have one source file, okay, a source directory. So how many files are there? We need to get that count. So sometimes we have this kind of condition that if we have more than one file, then we'll process some activity, or we will not go ahead with any kind of activity. The pipeline will stop there. So this kind of situation, I'm just giving you one example. Okay, it should be more than two files, more than four files also. This kind of situation, how you can handle, or is how we can handle that, we can see here. So using the file count. So for getting that file count, what we need to do? Let's see. First we'll create one new pipeline. Okay. From here we'll extract the metadata activity. So this is our metadata activity. And after that, what we'll do? So we have already one the data set and link service I have configured for this ADLS. In our earlier video, we have shown that how to configure the link service, and this source folder data set also I have configured earlier. So I will not do here. Okay. So if you have not watched our earlier video, we can go through that how to create the link service and all. Okay. So if you are following our playlist continuously from number one video, you will get to see this link service creation. Here is this ADLS creation. Okay, so just what we'll do, we'll just here add the data set, and in field we'll choose the argument child ID. Okay, so basically what it will happen if I run this in debug mode, what kind of output it will give. So basically, let's complete. So basically, it is giving us the output, the child item array. So all the file names and type of the files are in a array. You can see it is called child item. So basically, we need to handle with this array name only. We need to handle the things with this name only. That's why we are just putting it in a notepad. Okay. So here we are getting all the files in a array. Okay, so now what we can do, in activity level, sorry in in pipeline level we can define one variable to get the count, uh, file count. Okay. So now what we will do, we'll we'll use the set variable activity here. Set variable activity. We are just joining it, and now in set variable we can get the output of output of the we can get the output of the get metadata to here, and based on that we can write the expression, and that would be saved in the variable, this file count variable. Already it is defined in pipeline level. Okay, and this will just in add dynamic content, how I can get. So get metadata and data activity last modified. Okay, so basically activity output, from here we can get it, the get metadata activity child data. Okay, so its name is get metadata 1, and based on that we are getting the output. Okay, so now if I run it, okay, okay, sorry, one thing I missed it. So basically here only the child item it is getting, but here we need to add the length also. Okay, so in system variable we have length parameter. Basically first we will choose the length function parameter to get the length of the total list. Okay, and then here we'll put the child item. Okay, this will give you the total object. Okay, so basically it will give you the int object. Okay, int doesn't match the value. So basically why it is given, because the file count I put it I took that variable as a string. So here we just convert it to the string str. String variable. Okay, we are taking it, and now we can go. If I run it now, ready to complete. Now it's complete. Here we are getting the count of the file count 7. So if I will go to here and in source, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 files. Okay. So like this, you will get the count of the file. So the same file count, if you want to use in any of the activities, suppose you are using if condition here, so you have to give it, and after that, if you in here you can choose your expression. If it is equals to if more than one file, then in two condition you can choose your activity, whatever activity you want to perform. If it is not more than one file, you can choose your activity, whatever you want to perform. So like that you can do it. Suppose greater and greater. Okay, so greater file count. So here output, in output will get basically in greater, if the variable, system variable we defined pipeline level. So what was the variable name? Sorry, not here. This variable. If it is uh, if it is more than if it is more than one, like this, it will be defined. Then it will execute the true activity. So in true activity you can put any kind of activity. Suppose you are you are putting webhook to give you some kind of signals or some kind of message there. Or okay, if it is true, then or you can use copy activity also. So suppose you want to copy some kind of data, you can put it here and you can run your pipeline. If it is true, then only it will go to here. If it is false, then it will not execute. It will not execute anything. Or if it is false, you can define here. You can define here the same thing. If it is false, you can define here a webhook uh, to to send you message that the pipeline is failing. You need to define the things here. Okay, so like this you can configure, okay, your pipeline. Okay, so and one another thing I want to explain it here. So if condition, I am not showing it you here in the okay, so I am just showing you the method. Okay, so after getting the file count, how to go ahead in the real time. And one thing, if the same pipeline you want to, it's suppose it's a generic pipeline you have created, in your another pipeline you want to execute this pipeline and you have to get the count. So how you will get the count? So basically, if in pipeline 3 you are using pipeline 2, then you are using a copy activity, some kind of that. Okay, copy activity or the wait activity, some kind. Suppose wait activity I am using here. So wait. Okay, wait time is 1 second. It is fine. It is fine. I'm not doing anything. Okay. So suppose you are doing like that. You need to extract the the file count number from the pipeline 2, and you need to pass the that count to your another method, another activity. That how we will do. It should give you the output of the pipeline 2. Okay, but pipeline 2, in this way you will not get you will not get the value. So for getting the value of this uh, of the file count, so you need to do like this: set variable. Once again, you need to return that value. Okay, so basically pipeline return in the same file file count. Let's say string type we have taken, and the value. So basically, so not string. If you have to hard code it some value, you can use this. I will use the expression because I need to pass that variable value, the file count. Okay, so here we can pass this value. So the same file count value, it will pass this in this file count the name of the value. Okay, so whenever this pipeline will execute. Okay, if you want to pass this file count to another activity. Okay, so suppose here also you are starting it. So you are so the not set very not whatever count you are getting, you want to pass in some other activity. Or set in set variable also you can you can put because I have not selected all the things, that's why I am not getting the option. So you want to get this value, you just need to select like this. Okay. So if you run it, if you run this pipeline also, in pipeline 2, from the pipeline 2 you will get the variable, and you just need to select it. So here now I have selected. Okay, so here in the file count, I'm passing the file count variable value to the same file count. Okay, total file count बोलते. Okay, total file count. Okay, so or you can pass file count also, the same name also you can use, whatever you want. Okay, and after that if you want to get this from the file pipeline 2, you want to get this value to this pipeline 3, and you want to pass it to your other activities. So for that, in set variable uh, you just consider it from pipeline return value. Okay, and here just mention the name in which variable you want to store total file count like this, and just taking. Okay, here I'm selecting the expression. Here this is the pipeline to return value. Okay, as we selected here the pipeline return value, so it will give the return whenever the pipeline execution completed. Okay, and here we have selected the pipeline return value, it will take. So this will take, and if I will run it, we'll get to see the pipeline count. Pipeline 2's count. Okay, the pipeline 2 execution completed, and the pipeline 2's count in pipeline. You can see the file count it has taken as an expression, as the content from the pipeline 2, and it is giving the output as total file count. Okay, so like this you can, yeah, you can use this this kind of scenarios. These are the activities to get the file count in your real-time scenarios, whatever it is requirement, based on requirements you can use. Okay, I hope you guys have understood the concept. If you have any kinds of doubt regarding ADF, Databricks, PySpark, you can directly reach out to me via document or LinkedIn. Uh, any kind of scenario you are not able to understand, you can mail me. Mm, all the mail ID and details are given to the description, video description. Okay, you can comment also in this video if you have any kind of doubt, or if you're thinking we can focus in other contents also. That content name and you can mention, so that we can go ahead with that content. Okay, so you can recommend us the content name. Okay, so thank you. And one thing, if you want to connect me via topmet, there is no charges, all the services are free. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Please to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. Okay, so this is our channel.